Hola clase, esta lección se llama Mandatos Negativos con tú. Es capítulo 3, la primera parte gramática. To form negative to commands with regular verbs, there's a process. Step 1 is to drop the O of the present tense yo form. And then you add the following endings, and I like to call these endings the opposite vowel. So, for example, an AR verb, the opposite vowel is going to be E or ES. An ER verb and an IR verb, the opposite vowel is going to be an A, or for two commands, an AS. So, step 1, drop the O of the present tense yo form. So, hablo goes to habl, and then you add the following ending, es, which is the opposite vowel of AR, es. No hables ahora. Don't talk now. Comer. Step 1, you conjugate in the yo form, drop the O, com, and then you add the opposite vowel, A, or AS. No comas tanto. Don't eat so much. Abrir, very similar to comer. Yo form, abro, drop the O, abr, and add the opposite vowel, a, or as. So the negative to command, no abras la boca. Don't open your mouth. The same rule applies to the verbs whose present tense yo form ends in go, sko, yo, and yo. For example, salir, the yo form is salgo. You drop the O, add the opposite vowel, no salgas. No salgas si estás enferma. Don't go out if you're sick. Ofrecer, the yo form is ofrezco. Drop the O, add the opposite vowel, ofrezcas. No les ofrezcas comida basura a tus amigos. Don't offer junk food to your friends. Escoger, to choose, the yo form is escojo. Drop the O, add the opposite vowel. No escojas comida con mucha grasa. Don't choose food with a lot of fat. These 4 verbs have irregular negative to command forms, which means that you have to memorize dar, estar, ir, and ser. No des, no estés, no vayas, no seas. When a verb ends in car, gar, or zar, have the following spelling changes in the negative to commands in order to keep the original sound. So, same as in the preterite, the C will go to QU, the G will go to GU, and the Z will go to C. So the negative to command of sacar is saques. No saques la basura. Don't take out the trash. So what if I wanted to tell somebody to not touch something? What would it be? Use the verb tocar. No toques. Don't touch. Llegar. Llegues. No llegues tarde. Don't arrive late. So G went to GU. How would I tell somebody don't pay? Using the verb pagar. No pagues. Cruzar, Z goes to C. Cruz, opposite vowel, cruces. No cruces aquí. Don't cross here. If I wanted to tell somebody to not start, like don't start the test yet, using the verb empezar, what would it be in the negative to command? No empieces. If you're using reflexive or object, direct or indirect, object pronouns with negative commands, they have to come after the no. For example, estás enfermo. No te levantes de la cama. You're sick. Don't get up from the bed. So the reflexive pronoun was placed after the no and before the negative to command. No comas el pastel. No lo comas. So the direct object pronoun lo to replace the direct object noun pastel came after the no and before the negative to command. Bueno, clase, esa lección era mandatos negativos con tú. Espero que tomaste muy buenos apuntes y nos vemos en clase. Hasta luego.